Assalamu alaikum, students of the final year. Today we will discuss the aims and objectives of the pharmacy practice course. Basically, this course is also covering the community pharmacy and hospital pharmacy training as well. And the main objective of this course is to make the student able to recognize the pharmacist administrative and technical services that they are providing in the hospital or in the community. The pharmacist should be able to participate in the hospital medication distribution system. He should be able to perform calculations, compounding, preparations, manipulation of the IV admixture, and he can also prevent the incompatibilities during the therapy. The primary mission is to manage the use of medicines in the healthcare system. And this goal includes the selection, prescription, procurement, delivery and administration and review of the medications for the optimization of the patient outcomes. So primary goal is the selection and prescription or dispensing of the drug, and for the dispensing there must be procurement of the drug and administration, review and optimization of the medications for the patient outcome is the primary goal. So at the end of the this course, the student should be able to demonstrate the pharmacist patient care, and this basically helpful for the pharmacy daily activities effectively. And now the pharmacist can be able to educate and communicate with the patient as well as the care providers as well as the administrator and other staff of the healthcare system. So pharmacists should be able to perform their daily activities effectively, and now he is able to educate and communicate the patients as well as the doctors as well as the nurses. We have discussed that the pharmacy is the health profession that links the health sciences with the chemical sciences, and it is basically encompassing and ensuring the safe and effective use of the pharmaceutical drugs, and it includes compounding, dispensing services, clinical services, and reviewing medication for the safety and efficacy and providing the drug information. What are the areas where the pharmacist will work? These are the community pharmacy, hospital pharmacy, clinical pharmacy, compounding pharmacy, consulting pharmacy, ambulatory care pharmacy, and the regulatory pharmacy. This type of classification is basically for the condition in which the area is differ from each other. यानी जहाँ पे वो बैठ के pharmacist अपनी जो है वो practice कर रहा है services को, उस area के behalf पे हमारे पास we have different types of pharmacy. So most important for the pharmacy practice, we have the community pharmacy and the hospital pharmacy and clinical pharmacy. Industrial pharmacy is also a part of pharmacy. However, उसमें हमारे पास patient care and drug information इस तरह नहीं है जिस तरह की होनी चाहिए. However, वहाँ पे भी आपको जो है patient care इस सिनेरियो में है कि आपको particular dosage form जो है वो develop करनी है, so that it will be available in the market either by oral route or IV route. तो उसकी जो route of administration में जो importance है वो pharmaceutical dosage form की development में है, वो industrial pharmacy से develop होती है. Then we have compounding pharmacy, consulting pharmacy. Other areas भी हमारे पास, main areas हमारे पास community pharmacy and the hospital pharmacy है. So pharmacy practice field includes the community pharmacy, and community pharmacy basically it is used to be known as the chemist. और सबसे ज़्यादा जो इस वक्त हमारे पास है, जिसको हम पहले रिटेल फार्मेसी भी कहते थे, तो वो कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी है. एंड नाउ मिलियंस ऑफ पर्सन आर विजिटिंग दी कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी डेली. मोस्ट कॉमन जो फार्मेसी है जो कि रीडली अवेलेबल है, इट्स अ कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी विच कैन बी फाउंड ऑन द स्ट्रीट इन द सेंटर्स ऑफ द सर्टेन एरियाज, and mainly they are open for the long hours, and These are the pharmacy where other health professionals are unavailable. So depending upon the types and sizes, they are ranging from the larger pharmacy as well as to the small individually owned pharmacies. And the traditional role of the community pharmacy as the white coat wearing health profession is very different, and now the community pharmacy is also play a role in our clinical services as well. So सबसे कॉमन हमारे पास फार्मेसी जो है वो कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी है. Then we have the hospital pharmacy in which it has a more complex clinical management structure, in which the pharmacist is there for playing its part for the determination of the drug interaction, the effectiveness of the patient therapy, and compliance in the hospital as well as at the home. So it is a more complex process. Another aspects of pharmacy are clinical pharmacy, in which there is a direct patient care services, and usually this clinical pharmacy services are governed and providing under the hospital and clinics under the supervision of the physician. And we have the compounding pharmacy, in which the person or the pharmacist is preparing a drug in new form. For example, manufacturing or mixing the strength of drugs which are not available in the market. So the pharmacist is dispensing or compounding in its own pharmacy depending upon the requirement of the formula. Okay. Then we have the consultant pharmacy, which focus one or more medication regimen, and basically consultant pharmacy is for the elderly people at homes, क्योंकि अपनी visits जो है वो provide करते हैं. ये usually western countries में है, पाकिस्तान में consultant pharmacy इतनी नहीं है. Then we have online services, जो कि अब करंट सिनेरियो है कोविड का, तो उसमें अब ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज भी इम्प्रूव हो रही हैं, लेकिन अभी भी इसमें इट नीड्स मोर टाइम टू डेवलप. Then we have veterinary pharmacy, military pharmacy, and nuclear pharmacy, which mainly focus on the radioactive material and the special training, and there is no direct interaction with the patient. So let's talk about the community pharmacy. So community pharmacy is a healthcare facility which is a pharmacy chain, pharmacy department that emphasizes the providing the pharmaceutical services to specific community. एक इलाके के जो लोग हैं वो एक ही अगर फार्मेसी को विजिट करें तो वो जो फार्मासिस्ट है he is allowed to take their data and to counsel them properly. So it dispenses our medicines and typically involves a registered pharmacist. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे जो कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी का रोल है वो ये कि वो अपनी कम्युनिटी को सर्व करेगा. तो कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी pharmacist should be easily accessible, located near the people where its shop is there, and the widespread location of the community pharmacy should extended opening hour means community pharmacy is accessible to the public के पास available है, ये access है कि वो continuously उसको visit कर सकते हैं. What types of services are available at the community pharmacy? These are the dispensing, that is the working to a prescription. Pharmacist will provide you with your medicines labeled correctly, following by the direction of the general physician or any other healthcare provider, and information and advice providing by the pharmacist, it should be safe and effective. So after that there will be the repeat dispensing depending upon the need. The pharmacist will tell the patient that how much over a period of time the pharmacy will need a repeat dispensing. So occasionally the pharmacist mention कि कितने टाइम के बाद ये prescription जो है वो repeat होगा, especially in those conditions where a chronic pathology is there. Then disposal of unwanted medicines. So if medications are not useful for a person, then he has to return back to the pharmacy, and वो जो है वो उनको simple collect करेगा for the disposal. safe disposal का काम जो है वो community pharmacy का जो pharmacist है वो करेगा, and especially अगर वो expired है तो वो भी फिर return back करते हैं. हमारी duty है कि हम उसको return back कर दें pharmacy पे. ठीक है. ओवर द काउंटर ड्रग जो भी होती हैं दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग बाय द कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी, एंड इट सपोर्ट एंड एडवाइस यू टू मैक्सिमम टू योर सेल्फ एंड योर फैमिली. It also take part in the other healthcare activities like tobacco cessation program and health promotion, and it also care for the patient for the clinical pharmacy, and they should be able and they can participate in the arrangement for the monitoring or the utilization of the drug, like practices of the research product and the analysis of the prescription and monitoring of the adverse drug effects. तो ये सारी चीजें जो है वो कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी में हो सकती हैं. अनदर टर्म है जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन यूज होती है वो है फार्मेसी ऑटोमेशन. तो फार्मेसी ऑटोमेशन बेसिकली involves the mechanical process of the handling and distributing the medicines, and it so if we summarize the function of the community pharmacist is that community pharmacist is basically responsible for dispensing and distributing the medicines, and it should be under the law. It should be according to the legal and ethical guidelines, and some pharmacists also offer special health checks such as blood pressure monitoring and diabetic screening as well. So it is the responsible provision of the drug therapy for the purpose of achieving definite outcomes that improving the patient quality of life. So the main function is the dispensing, and it should dispense the right drug at right dosage, and it ensure the proper techniques that are used in especially in the extemporaneous compounding. Then the community pharmacy is also pharmacist is also responsible for the effective patient counseling. He should be able to establish trust and communicate verbally as well as communicate non-verbally. He should be able to listen the problem of the patient. He can also able to ask certain questions, and the question should be remain clinically objective, and also show some empathy and encouragement to the patient, and give time to the patient, and also provide the privacy and confidentiality. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये एक इसका पर्सनल मैटर होता है पर्सन का, तो अगर वो अपना कोई मसला डिस्कस कर रहा है देन जो है वो इसको जो है वो डील कर सके. देन अनदर फंक्शन इज द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड कीपिंग भी जो है वो कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी कर सकती है. इसमें पेशेंट मेडिकेशन रिकॉर्ड है, ड्रग रिकॉर्ड है, आउट पेशेंट बिल्स हैं, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन फाइल्स हैं, एंड सर्टेन प्रोफेशनल कॉम्पिटेंस है कि कौन सी ड्रग लेनी चाहिए. ट्रेनिंग का रिकॉर्ड भी रख सकते हैं, एंड देयर मे बी अ कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज टू द स्टाफ ऑफ द अदर पर्सनल एज वेल एज. Furthermore, it also keeps the ambulatory pharmacy area neat and orderly at time. तो ड्रग इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो भी जो है इसमें कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी का पार्ट है कि वो ड्रग इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो प्रोवाइड करेगा. और बेसिकली कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करेगा कि प्री पैकेज मेडिकेशंस कंटेन जो कि लीव इंसर्ट होता है बेसिकली उसकी जो डिटेल्स हैं फार्मासिस्ट अगर किसी पेशेंट को नीड है तो वो फार्मासिस्ट उसको जो है वो हाईलाइट करके इसको गाइड करे, इंश्योर करे द इंडिविजुअल्स को ये जो है मेडिसिन यूज हो रही है. ठीक है, ये कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी का रोल. एज वी हैव डिस्कस के अंडर लेजिस्लेशन जो है वो कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी वर्क करती है. सो फार्मेसी प्रैक्टिस जो है वो शुड बी रन एट दी बाय द रजिस्टर्ड फार्मासिस्ट के बगैर ये रन नहीं हो सकती है. And category of the medicine that may be sold from the outlets are the drugs, and they are being recommended by the physicians. So the pharmacist should be well aware upon, for the scheduled drug and for the controlled substances like fentanyl, like methadone, and for that he know all the rules and regulation कि कब वो ड्रग्स प्रिस्क्राइब करनी है या नहीं करनी है. and this pharmacy service must be available for 24 hours 7 days a week. इसमें कोई छुट्टी नहीं है. What are the actions of the community pharmacist in society? He is able for the buying of the medicines, storing of the medicines, dispensing, compounding, patient reviewing, advising the patient, and ensuring the rational and safe use of medicines. We have discussed the rational use of medicines by the patient. He also able to monitor the self-care, monitor the care of testing, participating the national health services, and Also provide other services like special advice for the nutritional supplements and veterinary medicines. What are the counseling responsibilities of the community pharmacy? The pharmacist should counsel the drug-related problems, and it also guide the proper use of over-the-counter drug, and prescribe the medications, and also schedule the immunization and vaccination schedule. It also helpful for the pharmacoepidemiology, that is the post-marketing phase of the clinical trial of a drug, which is mainly concerned with a new drug safety after marketing. He is also involved in the control of disease by making community awareness program like for the hepatitis, TB, etc. And he encouraging the patient to prevent themselves from various chronic diseases by using the proven techniques of the prevention. Yani how the person can decrease the risk of stroke, how the person can be able to control their BP, their blood pressure, or their blood glucose level. There should be the regular intake of the prescribed medications, and there should be a quieting of the smoking. There may be advice which relate for the increased physical activity or lowering the blood cholesterol intake. It may involve the patient education as well as the counseling to the other females like ladies for the pregnancy, and for the child health, for the family planning, and for the management of the pregnancy, for the diet, for guidance by the parents, for the protection of the child against disease, etc. So these are the functions of the community pharmacy जो कि इस वक्त नहीं perform हो रहे. So being a pharmacist आपको ये function परफॉर्म करने हैं कि ये सारे जो फंक्शन है जो कि हम एक बीइंग अ सोसाइटी में रहते हैं हमने ये फंक्शंस परफॉर्म करने हैं. ठीक है बेटा, थैंक यू. इट्स ऑल अबाउट द कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी.